Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by a chorus of birdsong. A flash of color catches your eye as a butterfly dances among the flowers. A hedgehog rustles through the undergrowth, searching for a tasty snack. This is the magic of a wildlife-friendly garden. By creating a haven for nature, you're not only helping to support struggling wildlife populations, but also bringing joy and wonder into your own life. Watching birds raise their young or discovering a family of hedgehogs nestled in your compost heap is an experience that connects you with the natural world in a truly special way. Creating a wildlife haven in your garden doesn't require a complete overhaul. With a few simple changes and thoughtful additions, you can transform your outdoor space into a thriving ecosystem teeming with life. So, let's explore how you can create a garden that's as welcoming to wildlife as it is to you. The foundation of any successful wildlife garden lies in the plants you choose. Native plants are always the best choice. They have evolved alongside our native insects, birds and mammals, forming a mutually beneficial relationship over millennia. Think of it like this. Native plants provide the food and shelter that our wildlife has adapted to rely on. For example, caterpillars, vital for feeding baby birds, often have specific plants they can eat. Planting native species ensures a buffet for all. When selecting plants, opt for a variety of shapes, sizes, and flowering times. This provides a continuous source of nectar for pollinators, like bees and butterflies, throughout the spring, summer, and even into autumn. Don't be afraid to let some areas grow a little wild. Leaving patches of long grass or piles of leaves provides valuable shelter for insects and small mammals. Remember, a little bit of messiness can go a long way in a wildlife garden. Just like us, wildlife needs water to survive. Adding a water feature to your garden, be it a simple bird bath or a more elaborate pond, can make a world of difference to thirsty creatures. Birds will flock to a bird bath for a refreshing drink or a quick dip to cool down on a hot day. Butterflies and bees also need water, but they prefer shallower sources. Placing a few stones in your bird bath creates perfect landing spots for these smaller visitors. If you have the space, consider installing a small pond. Ponds provide a habitat for a wide range of aquatic life, from dragonflies and damselflies to frogs and newts. They also attract larger animals like hedgehogs who will visit for a drink and a quick wash. Remember to keep your water features topped up, especially during dry periods. Cleaning them regularly will prevent the spread of diseases and ensure the water is safe for wildlife. Section 4. Safe havens providing shelter in your garden. A garden full of delicious food and refreshing water is a great start, but wildlife also needs somewhere safe to rest, raise their young, and escape predators. Creating shelters in your garden doesn't have to be complicated. Leaving a pile of logs in a shady corner provides a perfect hideaway for insects and small mammals like hedgehogs. You can also build or buy insect hotels, which offer a variety of nesting spaces for solitary bees and other beneficial insects. Bird boxes are another great addition to any wildlife garden. Choose a box designed for the types of birds you see in your area and mount it securely on a tree or wall away from predators. Planting dense shrubs and hedges provides excellent nesting sites for birds and offers cover for small mammals moving around your garden. Remember, a variety of shelter options will attract a wider range of wildlife. Section 5. A flourishing haven enjoying your wildlife garden. Creating a wildlife haven in your garden is a journey of discovery. By taking small steps and making conscious choices, you're playing an active role in supporting the natural world and creating a thriving ecosystem right outside your doorstep. As you observe the wildlife that visits your garden, you'll learn about their habits, their needs, and the delicate balance of the ecosystem they are a part of. The more you learn, the more you can adapt your garden to meet their needs, creating a truly special sanctuary for nature. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to create a wildlife garden. Every garden, no matter how big or small, can become a haven for nature. So get planting, get building, and enjoy the wonders of wildlife right outside your window.